So student, actually what, in the organic chemistry, the chapter polymer and the chemistry in everyday life, the last two chapters are eliminated, that is deleted from the board syllabus, but the biomolecule is still remain. So student, I think that we should have to complete the second chapter. If we finish the biomolecule, then our second book will getting completed. Therefore, I am now picking biomolecule after completion of electrochemistry, and then we will deal surface chemistry. So, in the biomolecule, bio, that is what, related to organism, and molecules, that is what, compound. So all those compounds which are directly related to the organism, that is they require for proper growth and development of organism, produced by organism, utilized by organism, these are called what, biomolecules. So in the 12th class you are introduces some biomolecules like carbohydrate, that is the first content, then the protein, and then nucleic acid. Okay, enzymes, hormones and vitamins are also there, but again the three biomolecules are deleted. So we are having three biomolecules: carbohydrate, protein and nucleic acid. Today I am picking the content carbohydrate. Okay, student, as the name suggested, the old definition is on the basis of the term given: carbo, that is carbon, and hydrate, that is water. That is simply what, compounds, okay, made up of or, okay, or the hydrates of carbon. Okay, now hydrates of carbon, that is what, carbon and its hydrate H2O, and the formula, general formula is given CxH2OY. But this definition is not applied for all molecules. Okay, example, okay, C6H12O6. okay, here applied, how it is applied? X is equal to 6 and Y is equal to 6. Now if you place the value, you will get what, CxH2OY, that is what, C6, and in the place of X and Y place 6, so it will become what, H12 and O6. Okay, but for C12 H20T O11, okay, not applied. Okay, so the new definition is suggested. This is called what, the modern definition. It is on the basis of functional group consist in the carbohydrate, that is functional group present in all carbohydrates. So the definition becomes: carbohydrates are the polyhydroxy and now the functional group is what, aldehydes, or it may consist what, ketones, aldehydes or ketone. Now on the basis of it we can explain all the molecule. Okay, now classification of carbohydrates. Okay, it is on the basis of saccharide unit. Getting? present in compound. Present in what? Compound. Student, now saccharide unit means what? One saccharide unit is equal to 6 number of carbon atom. 6 number of carbon atom along with what? Hydrogen and oxygen. This is called what? One saccharide unit. So on the basis of it is of 3 types. First one what? Monosaccharide. Monosaccharide what? Consist. Now what is the meaning of mono? The mono means what? One. So consist only one saccharide unit. Saccharide unit, and which do not hydrolyze. Which do not hydrolyze. This is called what? Monosaccharide. Now, can you pick up the example? The example is a glucose, and its formula is C6H12 and O6, and also one more what? Fructose. Again, its formula is C6H12O6. So, how many carbon is there? One carbon is there. Okay, and six carbon is there, and we know that 6 carbon containing units are called what? That is, one unit is called saccharide unit. Only one saccharide unit is there, therefore monosaccharides. Number 2, this is called oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides. Okay. Now the oligosaccharide, it consists 2 to 10 saccharide unit. Saccharides unit. Okay. And on hydrolysis gives 2 to 10 saccharide units. Okay. Now on the basis of it, it will become disaccharide if 2 units are there, trisaccharide if 3 units are there, tetrasaccharide if 4 units are there. So that will be in so on manner. Like what? You can take the example of what? Sucrose. Okay. You can take the example of maltose. You can take the example of galactose. You can take the example of raffinose. So there are many compounds. Like the raffinose is called trisaccharide. The sucrose is called what? Disaccharide. And the third one is called polysaccharides. Now poly, that is what? Large number of saccharide units. That is carbohydrates, which on hydrolysis gives large number of what? Mono or disaccharide, etc. Monosaccharides unit. Now what could be the example? Its example is very important what? Starch. Okay. And one more what? Cellulose. So now student, here you can clear that actually starch and the cellulose are also what? Carbohydrates. Okay, like sucrose, that is called what? Cane sugar. Now that is maltose, galactose, okay, glucose, fructose, all these are of the category of carbohydrates.